Good morning to all. Yoga can be defined as a union of body, mind, and life force and soul. Yoga is entirely different from yogasanas. Yogasanas means physical exercise kind of things, and in physical exercise we do without concentrating on breathing. But in yogasanas, breathing is also included. For a particular movement, you have to take inhaling the breath. For other movements, you have to exhale. So, for each and every yogasanas are connected with breathing. When I say the body and mind are united in yoga, is it separate now? It is already united only now. We have a body as well as mind within us. So, why it is not already united? What is that we have to do in our yoga means already body and mind are united. We have a body and the mind is also within our body. But when we are physically doing some activities, our mind may not involved in that. For example, we have some doubt after we left our house. We have a doubt whether we have locked it properly. Only our hand was locked the door, but still we did not concentrate on what we were doing. So that is called as physically present and mentally absent. This is a statement given by many teachers in the classroom. So students are listening physically, they are present in the classroom, but their mind is roaming here and there. They are thinking of their house, their weekend holidays, and many more things. So everybody or anyone who is thinking of something and doing the same thing is called as yoga. That is simply called as karma yoga. Karma means the activities. What we do is nothing but karma. So when you concentrate what you do, then it is called as karma yoga. Karma yoga is nothing but the second type of yoga, which means we can do anything and concentrate on it, then it becomes yoga. Like for example, when you are eating, you concentrate only on eating. Do not watch your mobile phone or television, or do not listen to music, or do not read anything. While eating, eat alone, nothing else. You just see what are the foods are served in your plate and what are the taste of the each and every food, and you can enjoy the taste completely and chew it very well. And this kind of things will make it as a karma yoga. Similarly, when you are reading something, concentrate completely on reading. When you are writing some classwork or record, anything, you concentrate on what you are writing. So that itself will make you better understanding of that particular topic what you are writing. So reading is yoga, writing is yoga, eating is yoga, and bathing is yoga. You can see some people are taking bath and they're doing something or thinking something else. Somebody is singing in the bathroom. Somebody is thinking of what they are going to do in today's work. So whatever you do, if you concentrate on what you do, that is called as karma yoga. Karma yoga, I told you, it's a second type of yoga. In the next video, let me explain what are the types of yoga and how the yoga is connected with our life. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will discuss more. Thank you.